Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another unboxing. The other Louis Vuitton that I got from Fashion Pal. I had to return it because I didn't like the marking, or it was just not my preference. And here I am. I'm ordering from the Louis Vuitton store, the online store, because they didn't have it at the boutique. Let's do an unboxing. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so excited. And I want you guys to see it. Got the box. The bag. The bag, of course. Came with a bag. And this is the receipt information. Also coming with a booklet. I think it's a catalog. It's pretty nice and neat. Interesting. Wow. I'm pretty excited. It comes in the same box as the one you would get at the boutique. Let's open it up. Oh my gosh. There you guys. There you go. So excited. So excited. I'm seeing this for the first time. I have not seen it before because I ordered online. Wow. I ordered the black one with the monogram imprint or emboss onto the leather. This is really nice. Let's open it up. And it has the plastic on top. Of course, it comes with a strap. This is a crossbody strap. This is so nice, guys. I decided to go with the black one because it's leather and I think it's more durable, and I don't have to worry about the leather darkening over here, just like the monogram. I'm so excited, guys. There you go. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment below.